smart boy. Oh my gosh, I'm doing something. Wait. Smoothie. Okay, smoothie, okay. So I'm gonna add a little mango, Trader Joe's. You already know what's good. About a cup of mango. No, that's like, yeah. Is that a cup? Yeah, that's a cup of mango. I don't have dates, like I said, but I do have frozen banana. Hey, where's the bananas at? You know, I haven't been doing this in a while. All right, I'm gonna make a basic biatch smoothie. So I'm gonna put, I already got some, I'm gonna put some spinach that's almost about to go bad, you know. Usually when it starts going bad, freeze it. And then I got my little aloe vera that I get from Whole Foods. Aloe vera doesn't really have like a smell. It has like a smell, but it doesn't really have a smell, if you get what I'm saying. And then I'm gonna add a little collagen because you know your girl and she needs it. And I have like 2 packs of this on the side of the fridge. I got Ray, because it was at Target. I want to try it, you know, I want to try it at Target. We all been there. Just to buy shit for no reason. Then, oh my spoon. I got this off of Amazon, big save. The reason why I got this brand is because the place where I used to love getting my spirulina smoothies use this brand. So I was like, you know what? I trust that brand. I'm gonna take that brand. So I'll do a cup of that. Now mind you, when I blend this all up, it looks like shit. It looks like green shit, but it tastes amazing because the mango overpowers it, so. Focus on me. Hey, my smoothie is done. Of health is done. Like I said, it looks scary, but it's super green because of the spirulina. Let's just make that very clear and apparent. It's green because of the spirulina, but it tastes like magic. It doesn't help, does it? Who cares? Ooh. Fits the whole cup. I use the blender bottles because, you know, it's just easier and efficient for me. Or I'll use my little mason jar because, you know, I look cute or whatever. But I'm not even playing with you. Tastes like mango. You don't taste anything. Hungry. That spirulina smoothie didn't do anything for it. Put a little dent in my stomach. Gonna make me and Deborah a salad. We're gonna make a arugula salad. My favorite with a little chicken breast. Throwing some nuts. Throwing some nuts. Throwing some nuts.
Throwing some nuts.
Let's see what else. A little Parmigiano. Give me a sec. Okay, so I've got my spinach and arugula here. Oh, little smart boy. Actually, I saw a pit the other day eating a tomato, so you should like tomatoes. Now that I think about it. Cutting this tomato, I'm gonna eat the whole thing because we don't waste stuff over here. Ain't that right, baby? I know that's right. I love tomatoes. Good, I'll be sure. That's a sweet tomato. I've been eating fresh tomatoes from the garden all summer. But these are store-bought and they're still fresh as well. Oh, the big reveal. Let's see if this avocado is good. I hope, please. I put them in the fridge when I start like to forget about them because I don't want them to get old. I mean, it's okay. I'll take the bad parts out. It's only a little, it's still good. It's a little bad part. Oh, you can't have tomato, you can't have avocados. Mess up your, I think actually avocados are poisonous to dogs. Okay, I wash my hands, but I like to evenly distribute them all across my salad. Ding. Ding, 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 ding. Ding. Wash my hands. If you don't have an avocado holder, invest in one. It keeps them fresh. I got some fresh organic cucumbers. I make salads like garbage salads. And if you know what a garbage salad is, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. You throw a whole bunch of shit in there. How much fiber? Yeah, I love cucumbers. I love crunchy salads. I love everything in my salad. I love everything nutritious. And my body, mind, and soul. Whoa, dude, you can't have this. What do you want? The privilege. Ugh, makes it more juicier. Oh, it's actually working. Oh my gosh, I'm doing something. Wait. I'm gonna wash it real quick. One second. Well, step away from my dang salad. Ugh. So I washed my cucumber. Gonna dice it. Dissect. Here's Bobo. What's up, dude? I got a knife in my hand. I don't even think about it. Some chicken or whatever that I'm gonna cut up. Oh yes, that tender chicken. Hey, get away from my chicken. Nasty. Stop, Bo. Seriously, you don't do that. I'll save them a little piece because they're gonna drive me crazy. Stop it. Ugh, saved you. Ooh, that's a big one, Bo. You can have that one. Put a little sauce on it. Yeah, drizzle that sauce. Mix the sauce up. Then I'm gonna drop. Oh, stop, Bobo. I'm gonna separate it. Bobo, stop. Bo, stop, I said. And then he's still learning. Bo, stop. Get away. Stop. Got some pine nuts, and everybody knows these little shits cost like 20 bucks for no apparent reason, a little nut. Like, who just decided to make these nutrition nuts like 20 bucks? So my favorite thing, pumpkin seeds roasted. And more. Stop it, boy. Sunflower seeds. Oh, drizzle. Ooh, look at that. To show this right here. I need to show this right here. Fire. Fire. I got everything. Look closely. Oh, yeah. Salad complete. And I'm gonna do like this poppy seed dressing. If you guys do any dressing you want. If you decide to do my salad or whatever. But update. Salad is fire. The nutrition, the ingredients, the sauces mixed together. Fire. You got some ASMR. Mmm.